everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mandy and today we are back with another advent calendar unboxing. Today we have the 2022 Cozmobox Beauty Advent Calendar. Before we start, can I please ask that if you're new here to please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell, because that is the only way to be notified of all upcoming holiday collection and advent calendar unboxings, and there are so many exciting ones to come. Today's advent calendar is the 2022 Cozmobox Beauty Advent Calendar, and the Cozmobox team have kindly sent this to us to unbox. This is currently available to pre-order on the Cozmobox website. I'll leave a link below on where you can get it. As with all advent calendars, they are limited, so if you do want to get your hands on this, I would not wait around. If you haven't heard of Cozmobox before, they curate beauty subscription boxes monthly, and their monthly boxes are usually themed and carry luxury beauty brands. They currently ship to Australia and New Zealand. Let's open up this beautiful box. The packaging is so festive with the red and the snowflakes, and inside we have individual boxes for each day. There's a total of 21 days, and this is retailing for 219 Australian dollars and is valued at over 500 Australian dollars. Let's open up the first day, shall we? The first box is huge, so I'm excited to see how this starts off. So our first item is the PMD Clean Mini Smart Facial Cleansing Device. This is in the color 4000 Emerald, and it is battery operated using AAA battery, which they provide in this box. The bottom twists out and you can pop the battery in there. This one is set at 7,000 vibrations per minute and is made of silicone and has 4 settings. I've actually used similar cleansing devices like this before, and I love the clean feeling it gives after using this with your favorite cleanser. This is such a strong start, and it is a perfect travel size. On to day 2, we have the Estee Lauder Micro Essence Skin Activating Treatment Lotion. This is a mini and it's 30 mils. This one is applied like a toner after cleansing, both morning and night before your serum. It's meant to be very hydrating and help with the appearance of pores. I'm always super conscious about my pores, so I will definitely be giving this a go. Let's check out number 3. Day 3 is the Lancome Advanced Genefique Youth Activating Concentrate. This is actually a mini, it's 7 mils, and this is one of Lancome's best-selling products. I have tried it and loved it. It's perfect for all skin types and has 7 pre and probiotics inside. It contains hyaluronic acid, so it leaves the skin plump and hydrated. From personal experience, this has made a difference and made my skin more firm and radiant. Moving on to day 4, we have the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. This is a mini and it's 7 mils. This is their hydrating serum, which is oil-free and gives you 72 hours of hydration and 8 hours of antioxidants. I haven't tried this one before, but again, it helps with appearance of pores and improves the skin tone. So I am looking forward to incorporating this into my nighttime routine. Day number 5, we have another Estee Lauder product. This is the Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup. This is a matte natural coverage foundation that lasts 24 hours, and it's a mini at 7 mils. This is SPF 10 in the shade 1W1 Bone, a little light for me. I'm normally a 2W1 Dawn. For this foundation, I do like that it is oil-free, matte, and buildable. Let's check out day 6. Here we have the Jojoba Company Australian Jojoba. This is an Australian jojoba face and body oil. It's 15 mils and is a mini. This oil is rich in vitamins A, D, and E, as well as omegas 6 and 9. I haven't tried this myself, but this is apparently amazing for sensitive skin and acne-prone skin too. Sounds super promising and I can't wait to try it. On to day 7. Here we have the Estee Lauder Double Wear Zero Smudge Lengthening Mascara. This is a mini at 2.8 mils, and this is their 15-hour smudge-proof mascara. It's also fragrance-free and super lengthening. It's meant to last through high temperatures, high humidity, and perspiration, which is pretty cool. Next up is day 8, and we have the Laboratories Filorga Paris Meso Mask. This is a mini, it's 15 mils, and is an anti-wrinkle lightening face mask. It's meant to make the skin radiant and treats wrinkles and signs of tiredness. First of all, I love a good face mask, and oh my god, this smells incredible. The reviews are also super promising and you only need to use this for 15 to 30 minutes. Time for day 9. Day 9 is another Estee Lauder product. It's the Resilience Multi-Effect Night Cream. Wow, we have a lot of Estee Lauder products in here. This is also a mini and it is their famous Tripeptide Night Cream. This is super well known for lifting and firming the face and neck and giving your skin an overall more youthful look. I'm excited to try this night cream because it's supposed to tackle wrinkles and lines and leave your skin radiant and nourished. Let's open up number 10. It looks like a big flat box. It is the Jejun Cosmetic Real Water Brightening Black Mask. I love sheet masks, and this is obviously from a South Korean company. I love that it has 3 steps from cleansing to essence to the mask. I usually try these sheet masks and they're always skipping to step 3, but I love that this one has 3 steps. This is easy to carry for traveling and I love that it's super nourishing and brightening. On to the halfway mark, we have the Grown Alchemist Gentle Gel Facial Cleanser. Now this is a brand that I've been wanting to try for a while. This is actually full size at 200 mils. The cleanser smells amazing. It's got geranium leaf, bergamot, and rosebud. It's super gentle and is great for reducing acne and blackheads. We are on to day 12 and we have the ALCHEMIST Beauty Illuminator. I haven't heard much about this brand. It's a Parisian brand and this is a mini at 15 mils. The color is white glowy and this is made with hibiscus essential oil. Next we have day 13, which is the TERRE Variance Eye Contour. This is full size at 15 mils and is a smoothing and firming organic eye cream with recycled coffee oil. This is super rich in antioxidants, which is great for the under eyes. This is meant to reduce dark circles and honestly, lately I have noticed some dark circles myself. So this should be great. Day 14 and we have the Duchy Luscious Lip Gloss. I haven't heard of this brand before, but this is a clear gloss and it's also cruelty free. We have number 15, which is the Embryolisse Multifunction Nourishing Moisturizer. I've never heard of this brand before, but apparently you can use this as a cleanser, primer, moisturizer, mask, aftershave, and makeup remover. That's so cool. This is a mini, it's only 30 mils, but has been said to be the miracle cream. I'm super excited to try this one. On to day 16, we have the Lancome by Facile Waterproof Eye Makeup Remover. This is a mini at 30 mils. I've actually really loved using this before. This is one of my favorite eye makeup removers. Super gentle, really love this one. So this is super gentle, works on sensitive eyes and leaves no oily residue. Just make sure you shake it before using it. For number 17, we have the Cozmobox Lash Curler. The shape is a little bit different from your normal lash curlers and it does feel a little bit like a filler item. Number 18 is we have 2 and it's the Duchy Luscious Lip Stain. Both are minis at 1.75 mils. We have the shade 619 Holiday Getaway, which is a pretty nude peach, and 612 Golden Caramel, which is a lighter nude shade. We are on to day 19 and we have the Mini LANEIGE Water Sleeping Mask. Love it, already use it. Honestly, this is one of my favorite overnight masks. On to the second last day, we have 2 products. And the first product is, what's in this bag? We have the Duchy Powder Foundation in the shade YL3. This shade is a little light for me. Day 22 also has the Duchy Freematic Blush in the shade Daydream. It's a cute small nude blush and has a magnetic closure. This is a cute size for traveling. On the last day of this advent calendar, we have a full-size Burberry London for Women Eau de Parfum. This is 30 mils and it's supposed to have a very nice floral scent. You can definitely smell jasmine flowers in there and a touch of rose. It's so beautiful. The packaging is also so beautiful and a strong end to the calendar. So this is the 2022 Cozmobox Beauty Advent Calendar. What did we think of this year's box? Let me know in the comments below. Personally, for me, I quite enjoyed unboxing this because there were a few products that I really liked, such as the PMD cleansing device, the luxury Burberry fragrance, as well as the range of Lancome and Estee Lauder products, and of course, the Miracle Cream. Something I would have liked for them to exclude would be the foundations, just because you always run the risk of it not matching everyone's shade. If this is the calendar for you, I'll leave a link below on where you can get it. This is currently available at the Cozmobox website as well as selected Costco stores. Once again, thank you to the Cozmobox team for sending this advent calendar for us to unbox. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!